In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate files in Dropbox. If your Dropbox is starting to feel cluttered, duplicate files can be a big reason why. They take up space, make it harder to find the right version of a file, and can create confusion when you're trying to stay organized. The good news is that removing them manually is simple, and it's one of the easiest ways to clean up your account without using any extra tools. To get started, open Dropbox in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the Files section. This is where you'll be able to browse through the items stored in your account and start checking for duplicates. If you have a lot of files, don't worry because the search feature will make this process much faster. Next, use the search bar to look for duplicate files. A good approach is to type in common file names such as photo, video, or report, depending on what kind of files you're trying to clean up. As you look through the search results, pay close attention to file names that suggest there may be more than one version. For example, you might see names with brackets and numbers, words like copy of, or variations that include underscores and extra digits. These are often signs that the same file has been uploaded or saved more than once. After that, compare the files before deleting anything. This is an important step because you want to make sure you keep the right version. Click on each file and check details such as the file size and the date it was uploaded. In many cases, the newest file may be the one you want to keep, but not always. Sometimes the correct version is the one with the proper name, or the version you know has the latest edits. Take a few extra seconds here so you don't accidentally remove something important. Once you've confirmed which file is the duplicate, delete it. Right-click on the duplicate file, choose Delete, and then confirm the action. Repeat that process for any other duplicates you find. If you're cleaning up a large folder, it can help to work through one file type or one search term at a time so you stay organized and don't miss anything. That's it. By opening Dropbox, searching carefully, comparing file details, and deleting the extra copies, you can quickly reduce clutter and keep your storage more organized. If you do this regularly, it becomes much easier to manage your files and avoid duplicate buildup in the future.